Hello, this is Gesner Deslandes. I am the founder and lead engineer of GlobalInternet.py, your partner for Python based software built on demand. We create custom solutions for clients around the world, AI powered tools, chatbots, data analysis, automation, secure election and voting systems, multi-language real-time, full-stack web applications, dashboards, internal tools, online platforms, complete delivery. We email you the code and guide your installation like Silicon Valley, but with a Haitian touch and outstanding outcomes. Whether you need a company website, a tailored software tool, or a full stack online platform, we build it. You own it. We are also a humanitarian technology company. We believe that code can serve memory, resilience, and peace. That's why many of our projects give a voice to those who are often unheard. Explore our work and interactive 3D demos at just check our bio. Let's turn your idea into reality. Let's do that together. See you next for the rest. Bye bye.